Hey guys, welcome back. Now, if you're new to my channel, I started off doing acrylic pouring, swiping mainly, and then I moved on to flip cup pours and balloon smashes. I did some Sheleeart blooms and resin, and I was thinking about it the other day. I thought I haven't done a bloom for so long. You know, where you put your puddles on and then you blow it. I'm going to have a go today. Cross fingers that I can still do it. It's been like literally months and months. So let's see if I can still do it. This is a 30 centimeter canvas, and I'm going to pour my base paint down. It's just an internal White House paint, this one. I'm just going to spin that just a little bit. I've got double-sided tape on my canvas to hold it there. And I might do just a little bit more in the middle just to give it a pillow for my other colours to sit on. I'm using Jo Sonjas colours. That's the rich gold. There's some aqua. It also comes in the tubes. Phthalo blue, and then my white, the cell activator, which creates your lacing, is the Amsterdam Titanium white with Floetrol. This one's 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. Actually can't remember all my ratios and everything, but go back and have a look at my previous videos because all the measurements and things will be in there. Now I'm just using up little bits of what I've got left. I've got like this dark burgundy, and then I thought I'd put like a purple with it. Hope that's enough. I'm running out. These paints still they're still left over from when I did it months ago, so hopefully they'll still work. I'll pour some purple on there, and then I think I'll put some gold on next, like so. I put 2 lots of gold on, so those are like my purpley colours, and then I've got the navy blue and the turquoise, so I'll put them down, and then I'll put some more gold over the top of them. Got little crusty bits of paint. You need enough paint to, you know, cover the surface. Once you spin, you need the paint to actually get to the side, so you need a relatively decent size puddle. Just taking the lids off because it's easier to pour. If I was only doing a little tile or a canvas, I wouldn't take the lids off. I just use the little nozzle, but want it to come out a little bit faster. Right, back to the gold. And then I'll put the white on top. Just going to center that a little bit. I have to move the whole turntable because my canvas is stuck down. Now this is it's a hairbrush cooler thingy. I can't remember what speed I had it on. Did I have it on that? Or, oh, I can't even remember what speed I had it on. It used to be like a hairbrush curler thingy that dries your hair at the same time, and I snapped the brush off and I put like a little medicine cup on the top and taped it so that I had a small opening. That's what I did. All right, here we go. This is the cell activator. Put some of that on. Again, I can't even remember how much to do. I'm going to put it on high. So I blow down and then out to kind of mix the colours a little bit. Here we go. Wish me luck, you guys. Hopefully I can remember how to do it. Whoa! I don't think I used to have it on high. I think I used to have it on low, actually. Anyway, There we go. Hopefully these colours will be pretty. Now I'm just going to wait just for a minute for the colour to kind of run back into the middle. I think I think I had it on too high. See over here, this panel here has got lacing over it because I didn't blow too hard. And then this over here, see there's no lacing over that and over that because I blew it too far. So I'll have to have a look, go back on my video. I think it was just, oh, it's not working. Oh my God, I've broken it. What's wrong with it? Oh, it's not working, you guys. What's that? No, 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 it's dead. Just as well I've got another one. Okay, so that's all come in a little bit. So let's give it a spin. And see what it looks like. Oh, look at those colors, so pretty. I'm a little bit off center, so let me move everything down just a tad. And I'm going to spin the opposite way just to kind of stretch the cells out a little bit. Whoops. Oh, I think I've still got it, you guys. I think I've still got it. She's got it. Oh, baby, she's got it. All right. Now, I just want to bring this back just a little bit more because I want to go over those two white corners. These two. Let's give it a little spin. Look at me. I've got paint on my wrists where I've tried stopping my turntable. All right, I haven't gone over quite yet, so let's go again. A little bit more momentum this time. I'm just putting my fingers underneath the canvas just to help slow it down ever so slightly. All right, now composition wise, I don't like how I've got that yellow corner there. I want to take that off if I can. Let's see, one more time, and off we go. I put new puppy pedal pads in my puppy pool. All right, that got rid of that corner, so yay, I'm happy with that. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Look at me, look at the state I'm in. Let me clean my hands a little bit here. I'll take these gloves off. Oh, messy. I forgot how messy this technique was. And then where's my little tool? I'm just going to get a little tool like this, and I'm just going to run underneath my canvas, catch those drips along the bottom. That'll stop the weight of the paint being dragged any further off the canvas. Alrighty, well, what do you think? It's not my best work, you guys, but yeah, I think I just blew too hard. And you can see how over here there's lacing, the white lacing, and then up there there's blank spots. Now, some people like that, like negative space. It doesn't have to be all massive cells, I guess. But yeah, let me know what you think. I'm going to have to get my blower working. I wonder what's wrong with it. Oh, now it's working. What's wrong with you? Oh, thank God for that. It's working. All right, well, you'll be seeing more of these coming up because I really used to enjoy doing these, and I still do. And I've got a lot of paint left over. Look, there's all my colours that I've got mixed up. And there's my Floetrol. So, yeah, I've got lots of colours. So I do need to do some more of these. Right, let's go in for a close-up. Look at the side. There's cells on the sides. When it's dry, the gold will be nice and shimmery and shiny. When you do these techniques, you just need to think about your colours and what colours will create other colours. Because it's, you know, the liquid and you're putting puddles on puddles, and the colours are going to blend. So just be aware of what colours will make other colours when you do these, when you choose your colours. Alrighty, well that was fun. I'm going to get cleaned up and I'm going to do another one, pick some more colours. Alright, I'll see you real soon for the next one. Okay, bye for now.